Ladies and gentlemen, we have just touched down in Tenerife, Spain. This is Brave Combat Federation 95, an area known for its natural volcanic beauty, and we are about to rock this place. Our main event sees a clash between two veterans, two pioneers, two legends. Icon Duque taking on Jason Fauné. Our co-main event sees the return of the former Brave Combat Federation bantamweight champion of the world, Jose Shorty Torres, taking on the Kazakh wrecking machine, Dias Gaipov. And I heard a rumor, potentially the winner of this fight may fight Mohamed Mokaev for the flyweight title. Not only that, we have Dutch representation with Dan de Joyce taking on the Georgian powerhouse, Ilya Kuraknishvili. This is Brave Combat Federation 95. My name is Phil Campbell, and in the immortal words of Carlos Kramer, are you ready?